what's good? My name is Docs and I basically build stuff. So, yeah, that's about it. Let's build stuff. It's currently day one and I need to build the blueprint that I'll be following to actually build the bike, right? So, I had the idea to just build one on my own. So, like, wait, no, if you actually look, it's not too bad, right? It's like, it gives the outline and basically what we need to build, right? So it's fine, man. I think personally that it looks pretty good. Now, basically, what I have to do is cut this into shape and add bolts so it can hold on to this part. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Pipes I'm using are a bit too thin, and realistically, all that was gonna happen was. So, yeah, I decided to use this piece to hold the frame together because it was strong and it was used on a bike before, so it would work. So now I'm going to weld this piece right here, and then maybe add another one there. Alright, so now it's time for me to attach this gas tank. I've been having a bit of a problem because I forgot that a gas tank actually needs, a bike actually needs a gas tank, so I hadn't planned ahead of where it's gonna be. But basically what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount it in like this.
One eternity later. Eventually.
Hold on. Like this. I'm gonna have two pipes that go out and hold it. Go out and hold it. And so two pipes that go down, down, and then down to like there. This is gonna look something like this. Going down. Same on the other side. basically, I lost the footage for like of where I was struggling to get the bike to start. So I found this one video that basically summarizes what happened though.
I get my key, bro. I'm trying. I eat my key in a damn keyhole, bro. I got my foot on the brake and I press start. And they don't want to start. They don't want to start. Yeah.
Bro, what is this? What the fuck is going on?
Supposed to be black man with it, bro. Black man with it. This black man weaving.
So I'm not gonna lie, I spent a few weeks trying to solve the problem, going through YouTube videos. At some point, I even had to make a custom wire harness to see if that would fix the issue. It didn't, but I eventually did like go through stuff like the stator and the coils, and I found the problem.
Right there. What is that? The turbinator. See, the turbinator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal.
So this is today's workspace. So basically what I was trying to fix the problem, as I'm explaining in the background here, is I wanted to make a tool that would basically pull the flywheel out of the bike so I could check the stator and make sure it wasn't damaged, as I wasn't getting any spark, and that's what some guy on YouTube said I should do. So that's what I did. And yeah. So now hopefully I'm gonna tighten these bolts and it's gonna pull this thing out. If that doesn't work, I don't know. So this is the part I'm gonna use to pull the flywheel out. So I should go and oh, wait. Damn, I slipped there. What the fuck? So fucking stupid. I finally got it out. Fuck you, bruh.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
So I went and got this CDI. It's this whole wiring harness, I mean, the whole thing. So I'm praying that hopefully this one fits and actually works. Because the other one, as you can see, yeah, didn't work. So we'll see. So this was everything that was in the box. I'm gonna try to put it together and like. Oh, and I just had to fix this little part here because that's what kept making the wheel keep spinning. It's just that the tensioning was loose, but once I fixed that, it worked. So originally, this was never meant to have a seat. It was just supposed to be like a stand-on type of build, but my dad said I would die if I tried that, so I just made one.
Nice, bro. Like a solid 1 out of 10.
Alright, so I was going over the footage after mounting the seat, and honestly, the design looked like trash to me. And it also gave a lot of other problems where the fuel wasn't even making it to the carburetor because of the angle of the tank. I think you could tell when I was revving it in the previous frame or whatever that it had this stall, and I don't know how to fix that until eventually I realized. And also the seats, I wasn't messing with it, so I had to go with a new design, which is what I'm doing here. Got this spray paint. We're going to see if it like works for this bike. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, this is John. He just observes, making sure that the builds are going to code. He's doing a terrible job, but amen, he's trying his best. So yeah, I'm editing this part of the video and I don't know how to make sewing leather onto a chair any more interesting. So he has like a speed running clock that'll like intensify things for sure. Alright, it's been like 25-30 minutes. I think I killed it, bruh. All the way through. Is on the side. It's pretty strong. I left a bit of slack for it, but it's holding on. I left like a little bit of slack, but like it's rock solid and it should hold. Nigga, that bottle been there since yesterday. So I had to quickly get gas from the gas station. So, here are my final thoughts. Is this bike safe? No. Is it road legal? Absolutely not. If the cops caught me on it, I'm going to prison, bruh. But is it fun? Of course. And that's the most important part. So, if you enjoyed the video, you know what like other YouTubers tell you to do, like subscribe or whatever. And I have a lot of other stuff that I want to build. So, thank you for watching.